Hi, are you facing login in issues with Facebook? Well, it has happened to me in the past, and I'm going to tell you how you can get rid of this. First of all, you have to go to Google and then typing login issues in Facebook, right? And then after that, what you can do is you can just fill up your details like your user ID and your maybe your phone number, and just write to Facebook like they must have done it by mistake, and be apologetic and just say if they can reinstate the Facebook page or your profile again. And then you can also submit the page of your Facebook where it's showing you cannot use it right now, so you can attach that and then send it to Facebook. I'm going to write all these things in the description, so you can check on the description. And friends, it has happened to me in the past, and usually Facebook they just reinstate the account within 48 to 72 hours. And also you have to write it you have to write that you have attached your name and your ID or your photos, whatever they've asked for, so you've already attached that. Okay, so thank you for watching me, and I hope you liked my video, and please like it, and if you can subscribe to my channel.